If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Hi Tribe, welcome to our channel. Here are 5 simple thrift flip hacks for thrifting Levi's. My first hack is to shop in the men's section. This is where I get most of my Levi's from. These days the 501s are very popular, and the men's version of the 501 fits like the perfect high-rise mum jean. But I would recommend trying on any size or style that looks like it might fit. This pair of jeans is a men's 505s. The 505 is actually iconic in that it was the first jean to have been made with a zipper. 505s have a straight fit, and for some body types they can actually be just as flattering or even more flattering than the 501. So I would definitely recommend you try them on if you find them in the thrift store. This particular pair of jeans had light grease stains, which meant that I could pick them up for a heavily discounted price, even for a thrift store. So my second thrift hack is to distress over small stains. Whenever I'm distressing my jeans, I like to distress them on a hard, solid surface. I'm using a knife that I use in almost all of my DIYs. It's not sharp at all, but it has the perfect serrated edge for distressing jeans. Here I am just distressing horizontally over the grease stains. I only need to do this really lightly, because one time through the washer and dryer will do the rest. I also chose to cut the hems off too, because I wanted the raw hem finish. This is what my jeans look like after a wash and dry cycle. Personally, I find the 505s to be really comfortable. They aren't too tight around the waist, and they're just a really laid back style and really easy to wear. If the stains are too big and they are lower down the leg, then my third hack is to simply cut them off by turning the jeans into shorts. To cut jeans like this into shorts, simply cut straight across. To make sure your legs aren't lopsided, fold them over and cut straight across again. If you have a sewing machine handy, you can hem these again, but I have been loving the raw hem trend lately, so I just let mine get rough around the edges. I want these to be a longer length, but you can cut or roll them to a length that suits you. These are actually orange tab Levi's, which initially got their reputation to be Levi's that were set apart from the traditional red tabs. Back in the day, the orange tabs were the trendy or even edgier styles. Obviously, I love them. They are a great find while thrifting. I used this same hack for a pair of jeans for my husband, and they became the perfect Levi's men's shorts. My fourth hack is to patch up awkward holes. With general wear and tear, vintage jeans can start to get holes, especially along the seams and around the back pockets. I'm personally not into holes on the bum, so I use fabric glue to patch them. Fabric glue is perfect for this because it is seamless. Before you purchase the glue, however, read the description to make sure it is washer and dryer safe. I then used some of my scrap denim in a similar wash and cut little squares out of them. I glued these to the insides of my jeans. I put some extra little dabs of glue on the corners to reinforce it because you really want these to lay as flat as possible. I'm so happy with how this little hack turned out. The holes are much less noticeable and you can't see any skin at all. These jeans are actually my absolute favourites. They have all the vintage feels. My last hack, number 5, is the tapered roll. I have seen a lot of people wearing straight leg jeans with heels all over Pinterest, and with a tapered roll it looks so adorable. This is so easy. You just fold the jean into itself to make the roll itself sit tight around your ankle. Because it's a tighter roll, it is more sturdy and less likely to roll back down while you're wearing them. There are obviously so many ways to roll a pair of jeans, but this roll gives the illusion of a tapered leg. Thank you so much for watching. I actually have more flip thrifts and DIYs up my sleeve, so if you would like to see another video like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button to join the tribe. Bye for now.